A massive fire gutted at least 5 bicycle warehouses and 2 shops in the new Checkon Bazar in Imphal East on Tuesday night. The fire destroyed property worth lakhs in the blaze. However, there were no reports of loss of life or injuries. According to sources, the fire began around 12:15 am at the residence of one Laishram Ibohal Singh and spread across adjacent shops of second-hand clothes and cycle warehouses, reducing them to ashes. Fire tenders were rushed to the area and the blaze was finally brought under control at 4 am. The cause of the fire is yet to be known.
Imphal West the communication Imphal East fire brigade station
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to EastMojo. For any queries, put them down in the comments section below and press on the bell icon for notifications.